Welcome to lesson 9 of Fundamentals of Chemistry. In this lesson, we are going to look at SLO 1.3.3, which is to calculate the number of moles, atoms and molecules of substances. As we know that we have the formula of moles. The formula of moles is the mass of substance divided by molar mass of the substance. So whenever you want to find the number of moles, you are going to apply this formula. We have another important formula which is for the number of particles. We know that the number of particles are equal to the number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's number. 6.02 exponent 23 is called Avogadro's number. Whenever you want to find out the particles may be atoms, ions or molecules. Whenever you are asked to find out the number of atoms or number of ions or the number of molecules, you are going to apply this formula for the number of particles. So particles can be atoms, ions or molecules. For that you will be needing the number of moles, and you will multiply that with Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 exponent 23. So these two important formulas are for our next numericals that we are going to solve. We have example 1. The question is to calculate the number of moles in 40 grams of H3PO4. So boys, we are given with number of moles in this. We are going to make the data. We are given with the mass of H3PO4 because 40 grams is the mass. Okay, so we are given with a mass which is 40 grams, and we know that the molar mass of H3PO4 is 98 grams. So you all know how to find out the molecular mass. We are going to add the masses of hydrogen, phosphorus and oxygen together, and like that you are going to get 98 grams, and this is a molecular mass. What do you have to find out? We have to calculate the number of moles in this. Let's see how we are going to do that. We know that the formula of moles is mass of a substance divided by molar mass of the substance. So the mass is 40 grams, the molar mass is 98 grams. We put the values and we get 0.408, which is the number of moles of H3PO4. We are going to write result in the end because that has marks, and we have 40 grams equal to 0.408 grams molecules of H3PO4. Okay, so gram molecules is another name for the moles. Do not confuse, this is same as moles. Gram molecule and moles are same things. Okay, so you use moles and you can use gram molecules also. We have another example. Calculate the number of molecules in 40 grams of H3PO4. For that we are going to apply this strategy. We are given with the mass. Whenever you are given mass in grams, you are going to convert that into moles first, and from moles you will go into molecules. So we are going to make the data first. What are we given with? We are given with the mass of H3PO4, which is 40 grams. We have the molar mass of H3PO4, which is 98 grams, and we have to find out the number of molecules. We know that the number of moles is equal to mass of the substance divided by molar mass of the substance. So we know that the mass over here is 40 and the molar mass is 98. We divide them, and that way we get 0.408 moles. Now we convert these moles into particles. Okay, from moles we are going to particles. Particles is, for example, molecules. So number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's number, that is the formula for number of particles. Number of moles we have already found out, which is 0.408. We multiply 0.408 with 6.02 exponent 23, and in that way we get 2.45 exponent 23. Boys, do not confuse with this exponent 23. This remains same. इसको हम ऐसे ही लिख देंगे exponent 23. We just multiply 0.408 with 6.02. That is 2.45. We will write this exponent 23 just like that. We have example 3. In this we have to calculate the mass of 4 moles of carbon dioxide. So our data is, we are provided with 4 moles. We have to find out the mass of carbon, and we know that the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44. You all must know how to find out molar mass. We have done that in class 8 also. Solution for this is, we have to find out the number of moles. The formula is very simple. known mass of a substance and divide by molar mass. So we rearrange this formula for the mass. इस mass के लिए हम formula को rearrange करेंगे. So we keep this mass over here. This number of moles and molar mass they multiply. Okay. So इसको rearrange किया. This molar mass of the substance was dividing on this side. Once it goes to the opposite side, it multiplies with number of moles. So the formula rearranges as number of moles of carbon dioxide multiplied by molar mass. We put the values then. Number of moles are 4, molar mass is 44, we get 176 grams. So the mass of 4 moles of carbon dioxide is equal to 176 grams. Next example, calculate the mass of 7.84 exponent 23 molecules of water. So guys, over here you are provided with molecules, you are provided with the number of molecules, and we have to find out the mass. What are we going to do? We have the data first. Number of moles are provided 7.84 exponent 23. We know that the molar mass of H2O is 18, and the mass of water we have to find out. The strategy we are going to apply here is we are going to convert the number of molecules into moles, and from moles we are going to go to the mass. Let's look at the solution. We know that the number of molecules is equal to the number of molecules are equal to moles multiplied by Avogadro's number, which is Na. So Na is Avogadro's number, we know that, and formula is moles multiplied by Na. For moles, what are we going to do? We are going to keep this moles over here. This Na is multiplying. On the opposite side is going to divide with number of moles. So the formula becomes moles equal to number of moles divided by Avogadro's number. We have just rearranged the formula for the number of moles because we have to convert moles into molecules, molecules into moles. Okay, so for moles we are rearranging the formula because we know the number of moles. Once we put the values, the number of moles on the top and Avogadro's number on the bottom, we are going to have 1.302 molecules, moles. 1.302 moles. Okay boys, what is happening over here? We have just divided this, we have just cancelled exponent 23 values from each other, and we are just dividing 7.84 with 6.02. So do not get confused. ये दो चीज़ें ऊपर नीचे cancel out हो जाएंगी. 7.84 divided by 6.02 is equal to 1.302 moles. So we have found out the number of moles. Now we are going to convert this number of moles into mass. So let's see. We know that the formula of moles is mass divided by molar mass. Okay. Now for mass of the water, we are going to rearrange this formula again. Is mass को find out करना हमें because we have to find out mass. So we are going to rearrange this formula again. Mass of water will remain here. This molar mass is dividing. It will go on the opposite side and multiply with moles. The formula will be moles multiplied by molar mass. Now put the values. We already know the moles, which are 1.302. Molar mass is 18 for water, and we get 23.436, and as a result we know that mass of 7.84 exponent 23 molecules of water is equal to 23.436 grams. I hope the lecture was easy and was understandable. This is your task. You have to solve these 4 questions in your copies. We'll be meeting in the next lesson. Till then, thank you so much. Bye.